इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. I have often mentioned in my videos that organizing is not a one-time effort. It is a continuous process that you need to revisit every now and then. Even if you organize a space today, over time the items there may shift out of place, new products might be added, or sometimes the old method may no longer work. That's why it is essential to update your organizing method based on your current lifestyle and needs. One advantage of reorganizing is that it helps clean your space thoroughly and declutter it as well. This week I decided to clean and reorganize my bathrooms, which had been pending for quite some time. The bathroom in the master bedroom is mainly used by me and my son. I have cleaned out everything from the wall shelves. I like to organize products by category. So on the top shelf I have placed all the hair care products and sunscreens. On the second shelf, I keep my skincare products, most of which are in small size packs. To organize them more efficiently, I have started using an acrylic shelf riser. This makes better use of the vertical space. Earlier, I had to stack small items on top of each other, which made it difficult to access the products stored below or at the back. With the help of the shelf riser, every product now has its own spot and accessing them has become much easier. The third shelf is primarily for the face cleansing products. Here I keep my acrylic makeup wipes dispenser, which I have been using for many years, along with the Q-tip organizer. This shelf also holds makeup remover, face wash and toner. Now this space is perfectly clean and well organized. In this bathroom, there is a drawer and cabinet under the sink, where I store additional items such as a hair dryer, hairstyling accessories, small tools, extra dental essentials, extra makeup wipes, Q-tips and an electric trimmer. Over time, this area had become cluttered and needed reorganizing. I removed all the items and thoroughly cleaned the space. To organize it better, I started with a wooden drawer divider that splits the left side into two sections. Next, I used a drawer organizing tray with separate compartments for neatly segregating smaller items. Now it's time to put everything back in place. On the right side of the divider, I have placed my trimmer and electric foot scrubber. On the left side, I have stored extra makeup wipes, Q-tips and hairstyling clips. This is my facial deep cleansing kit, which I have placed here with the packet of disinfectant wipes on top. At the back of the right side, I have stored home facial kits, extra bath soaps and a cleansing balm. In the organizing tray, I have arranged smaller items such as razors, scissors, a face roller, lip scrub and balm and dental floss. Since everything now has its own section, the items won't mix, making it easier to access them and keeping the drawer tidy. Adding the wooden divider ensures that items stay in place when the drawer is opened and closed. The drawer is now neatly organized. Let's move on to the cabinet below. This space can be used in various ways. One option is to install an extendable shelf, which I demonstrated in a previous video. If the drainage pipe is large or centrally located, the middle section of the shelf can be removed for easy fitting. This rack can be used to store extra toiletries, toilet rolls and hairstyling tools. Definitely a great option. However, since I also keep my laundry basket in this cabinet, this rack won't work for me. Instead, I prefer using a two-tier metal sliding rack. It efficiently accommodates extra toiletries and toilet paper rolls while utilizing vertical space effectively. Because this rack takes up minimal space, my laundry basket also fits easily here. It is important to choose organizers based on your specific space and requirements. Additionally, the cabinet door can be smartly utilized for storing hairstyling tools. One option is a self-adhesive hairdryer holder, which serves the purpose well. Another option is an over-the-door metal rack that fits easily onto the cabinet door. Since it offers more space, you can store multiple hairstyling tools in it. I have decided to go with this option. Let's take a look at the counter space now. I have been using this wall-mounted toothbrush holder for quite some time and I find it very smart and convenient. Any water left on the brushes drains out easily and the holder keeps the toothbrushes covered and hygienic. If you're using a traditional toothbrush holder, always ensure it has a drainage holes at the bottom to prevent dirt and grime from accumulating. I only use this holder to store toothpaste. On the countertop, I keep a soap dispenser and a small flower vase for a touch of decoration. Above the mirror, there are 3 shelves which I have utilized efficiently. On the middle shelf, I have placed large bottles of moisturizers that don't fit in the side cabinet. The other 2 shelves hold decorative baskets. One basket contains women's hygiene products, while the other stores travel essentials such as toothbrush holders, small bottles for creams and moisturizers, and pouches for toiletries. And with that, the bathroom organization is complete. There is a unique sense of satisfaction in seeing a clean and organized space, isn't there? Since the bathroom is mostly used by me, all the products here are mine. My husband often works odd hours, so he prefers using a separate bathroom. For a while, he had been using the guest bathroom, but today I decided to shift all his belongings to our common bathroom. Our common bathroom looks something like this. It is slightly smaller in size, but has cabinets and shelves for storage. Before moving his items, I thoroughly cleaned the space. Now let's start organizing. Men generally don't have as many items compared to women, but there are still some essentials they use daily, such as moisturizer, hair oil, shaving gel and cream, perfume and deodorant, and Q-tips, which I have placed on the shelves. This bathroom also has a drawer. I added a drawer organizing tray here as well, arranging shaving razors, scissors, dental floss, and alum in separate sections. I placed an electric trimmer in a transparent box, extra alum pieces in a small box, and extra dental and shower essentials like toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, and extra razors in a large transparent box. I also prepared a travel kit containing small travel-sized toiletries such as shampoo, oil, shaving cream, razors, toothpaste, and a toothbrush. Extra toilet paper rolls and bathroom freshener pouches are stored here as well. The organization is almost done. Now I'm placing the toothbrush holder and soap dispenser. This bathroom is all set and ready for use. On this side, we have the shower area separated by a glass partition. To prevent water from splashing outside, I have also installed a shower curtain here. The curtain rod is well supported by these side hooks, which I showed in my last video. In the shower area, there is already a corner rack installed where I have placed shower essentials like shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Since the bathroom is a bit small, keeping a laundry basket outside is difficult, and we use the lower cabinet here for storing bathroom cleaning supplies. Therefore, a hanging laundry hamper is the perfect solution for this space. And with that, the organization of this bathroom is complete. It was unused for quite some time, but now it feels much more functional and well organized. All the organizers I used today were items I already had on hand, which I repurposed and shuffled around to fit this setup. You can find the links to all the products in the description box, but before purchasing anything, ensure you check the functionality and size to see if it fits your needs. Please avoid impulse shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more videos like this. I will see you all next week. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.